So hello student, this is Sanjeev Jha welcoming all of you on my YouTube channel. And as you see, that is today's our topic is ribonucleic acid, or in short RNA. Basically, in this video we are talking about or discuss about the definition, chemical composition, structure and the different type of ribonucleic acid. In short, you can say in this video you will able to understand or get the basic idea about the ribonucleic acid. And I hope all of you already seen part 1, part 2 and part 3. If not, I suggest to go through this video first, then you are able to understand this third or ribonucleic acid. Okay, link is given in the description box, you can go there and find out the 3 previous video related to this topics. Okay, now let's start the topic, that is ribonucleic acid or RNA. How we define RNA? So basically, ribonucleic acid is a polymeric molecules. This is a polymeric molecules which is essential in various biological roles in coding, decoding, regulation and expression of the genes. So these are the basic of ribonucleic acid, or we can say this is the definition of ribonucleic acid. Means ribonucleic acid first of all is a molecules. Which type of molecules? Polymeric molecules. If suppose these acids are not present, so coding, decoding, regulation and expression of gene could not be happen. So RNA is very essential for whenever cell division is occur, then it is very essential to present the RNA, because it is responsible for coding, decoding, regulation and expression of gene. We already know that is gene, which is our heredity. Okay, so the ribonucleic acid is very important ones, and that's how we define. I hope all of you understand. Now we talk about who discovered. So it is discovered by Friedrich Miescher in 1868, and full form of RNA already you know, that is ribonucleic acid, and it is a single stranded helical. It has only single stranded. In previous class DNA we learned or we know about that the DNA is the double stranded helical, but here RNA is single stranded helical, and the structural unit of RNA is ribonucleotides. Okay, so basic idea, this gives you basic idea about RNA. I hope you get some basic idea what is the unit of RNA, what is the full form of RNA, who discovered the RNA, in which year, and how we define RNA. So these points I already cleared, and I hope all of you got these points. Okay, now we move to the next topic, that is chemical composition of RNA. So in left side you see that the flow chart, this is I am talking about, this is the flow chart about the RNA. So these are the, as you see, these are the basic component that composed our RNA. So first of all, RNA is composed of a ribonucleotides, and as we know, ribonucleotides is basically 3 types, that is pentose sugar, or sometime it is called ribose sugar, phosphoric acid and the nitrogenous base. So these 3 composed ribonucleotides. Again, Nitrogen base is further divided into two types, that is purine and pyrimidine. And purine is composed of adenine and guanine nitrogen base, whereas pyrimidine is composed of uracil and cytosine nitrogenous base. So these are, compact together to form RNA, right? As you see, that is the ribonucleic acid, the single stranded. As you see, that is the pentose sugar, okay, pentose sugar and phosphoric acid, and the nitrogen base, that is adenine. Here it is, see, adenine, uracil, guanine and cytosines. So this is the chemical composition of RNA in a flow chart. If you remember, what is the differences between RNA and DNA in flow chart? So first difference you be able to understand, that is ribonucleotides. DNA में क्या था? DNA में डीऑक्सीराइबोन्यूक्लियोटाइड से बने हुए थे. DNA का जो राइबोन्यूक्लियोटाइड के बदले क्या था वहाँ पे? डीऑक्सीराइबोन्यूक्लियोटाइड्स था. और वहाँ पे और एक चीज़ मिलेगा आपको, ये पेंटोस सुगर. वहाँ पे क्या था? डीऑक्सीराइबोस सुगर. वहाँ यहाँ पे ऑक्सीराइबोस सुगर है, वहाँ पे डीऑक्सीराइबोस सुगर था. ठीक है, ये दो चीज़ आपको डिफरेंसेस मिले, राइबोन्यूक्लियोटाइड एंड राइबोस सुगर. और एक चीज़ मिलेगा यहाँ पे यूरासिल. ठीक है, यूरासिल बेस नहीं था, वहाँ पे थाइमीन बेस था. इफ़ यू नॉट रिमेंबर, गो द वीडियो एंड previous video, you will understood. Okay, and this is the basic chemical composition. I hope all of you understood, right? Okay, we move to the next topic, that is the explanation of chemical composition of RNA. okay, जो हमने अभी फ्लो चार्ट में पढ़ा उसी को हम एक्सप्लेन कर रहे हैं कि फ्लो चार्ट आप अभी देखिए, ये वाला याद ही होगा आप लोगों को. अभी जो फ्लो चार्ट देखे हैं उसको हम किस तरह से एक्सप्लेन करेंगे, उसी चीज़ को हम एक्सप्लेन करेंगे. क्या होता है? एज यू सी, इट इज़ अ सिंगल थ्रेड हेलिकल. ओके, सो ये देखिए एक ही सिंगल थ्रेड हेलिकल है एंड मेड अप ऑफ चेन ऑफ न्यूक्लियोटाइड्स और राइबोन्यूक्लियोटाइड्स विच इज़ कंसिस्ट ऑफ पेंटोस सुगर. राइबोस सुगर है इसमें, ये इसमें क्या क्या है? राइबोस सुगर है, फॉस्फोरिक एसिड एंड नाइट्रोजन बेस से ये बना हुआ है. तो हम क्या कहेंगे, व्हाट आर द बेसिक केमिकल कंपोजिशन ऑफ आरएनए? तो न्यूक्लियोटाइड, और वी कैन से राइबोन्यूक्लियोटाइड्स, पेंटोस सुगर एंड फॉस्फोरिक एसिड, एंड फाइनली नाइट्रोजन बेस. And there are 4 type of nitrogen base present in the RNA, that is adenine denoted by the A, guanine that is denoted by G, uracil that is U, and cytosine that is C. तो ये सब आपस में मिलके एक सिंगल थ्रेड स्ट्रक्चर बनाते हैं RNA का, राइट? तो दैट इज द एक्सप्लेनेशन ऑफ ए केमिकल composition. I hope all of you understood, right? Now as you see, this is the type of RNA. DNA का कोई टाइप नहीं था, बट RNA का टाइप होता है. तो in this flow chart we talking about the different type of RNA. तो basically or mainly we can say RNA is basically 2 types. As you see, that is genetic RNA number 1, and number 2, that is non-genetic RNA. So basically there are 2 types of RNA is present. What are their names? Genetic RNA and non-genetic RNA. Further, non-genetic RNA is divided into 3 parts or 3 types, that is ribosomal RNA, in short it is known as small RNA, messenger RNA, that is mRNA, and third one, transfer RNA, that is tRNA. So these are the basic types. These are the 3 basic type of non-genetic RNA, and genetic RNA do not have any types. Okay, so this is the types of RNA and we're going to discuss one by one. I hope all of you understood. Okay, now so we move to the next topic, that is RNA, different type of RNA. So let's start. First of all, mainly, as I told you, mainly RNA are of two types, that is genetic RNA and non-genetic RNA, right? Now, genetic RNA, how we define what is genetic RNA? So genetic RNA, those RNA which carry the heredity characters. Okay, genetic RNA which bearing the RNA which bearing genes, simple. तो जो RNA जीन्स, जिसके अंदर जीन्स पाए जाते हैं, ऐसे RNA जिसके अंदर जीन्स पाए जाते हैं, जिसे हम हेरिडिटी कैरेक्टर भी कहते हैं, अगर ऐसा होता है तो उस तरह के हम RNA को जेनेटिक RNA कहते हैं, ठीक है. तो सिंपली जेनेटिक RNA, व्हाट इज जेनेटिक RNA? हेरिडिटी कैरेक्टर्स bearing RNA are called genetic RNA. Okay, some example of that, I mean genetic RNA, is plant and animal virus like influenza virus, HIV. These are genetic RNA, examples of genetic RNA. Okay, now we move to the non-genetic RNA, the second type of RNA, that is known as non-genetic RNA. So how we define non-genetic RNA? The types of RNA where DNA forms genetic material. Okay, where the genetic material is formed, in which the RNA in which the genetic material is formed, जहाँ पे genetic material बनता है, ठीक है, that is known as non-genetic RNA. And basically non-genetic RNA are three types: messenger RNA, transfer RNA, and ribosomal RNA. So let's start messenger RNA. In short, we call it mRNA. So what does it do? It carry information from the DNA for the protein synthesis. Okay, it carries just information of DNA from the DNA. Transfer RNA, in short it is called tRNA. It collect amino acid for protein synthesis. Protein synthesis के लिए जो amino acid चाहिए, that is collected by the transfer RNA, or in short tRNA. Last one, that is ribosomal RNA, or in short rRNA. It help in protein synthesis. So basically this is give you a brief idea about the different types of RNA and their functions. So I hope the type of RNA is clear, all of you. Now the last topic, this is the difference between DNA and RNA. It is DNA and it is RNA. So it is a double. First difference is that DNA, means DNA is a double standard helical structure. You already know that. And RNA is a single standard helical. It is single standard, it is double standard helical, right? It is like that way, twisted, and this is single helical, right? Now if you find, I have already told, मैं बता ही चुका हूँ आप लोगों को, it is pentose sugar. pentose sugar क्या होता है? डीऑक्सीराइबोज होता है, जबकि RNA में पेंटोस सुगर क्या होता है? राइबोज सुगर, राइट. नाइट्रोजन बेस डिफरेंस है एक, इसमें थायमिन पाया जाता है और इसमें नाइट्रोजन बेस यूरासिल यू होता है, राइट. नाइट्रोजन बेस इज थायमिन, वेयर एज द नाइट्रोजन बेस इन RNA इज यूरासिल. स्ट्रक्चर यूनिट इज deoxyribonucleotides एंड स्ट्रक्चर यूनिट ऑफ RNA इज राइबोन्यूक्लियोटाइड्स. इसके अलावा बहुत सारे क्वेश्चन है, बहुत सारे डिफरेंसेस हैं. तो ये बेसिक डिफरेंसेस है, दिस इज द डिफरेंसेस बेसिस और आवर डिस्कशन. ओके, आप और भी अगर चाहते हो यू कैन इंक्लूड इट. ओके, सो दैट्स ऑल एंड स्टे ट्यून विद अस एंड थैंक यू फॉर वॉचिंग.